So Stevie Bobini thinks that my car sounds like a GTA car. I bought this HPI copy manifold straight from China, and it should sound pretty cool. There's a XD1 GPSL demo car from 3UP that had this manifold with like I think an HKS version of a GT3071R, and I'm gonna run that Garrett turbo. But this should sound really cool. That car sounded really cool. We also got an ISR Bellmouth Downpipe and a 3-inch flex to kind of make my own little PBM Cobra downpipe because they only sell those for SRs. This should help prevent that from cracking. And we got a Tome metal exhaust gasket. Let's get to work, huh?
Yeah, I think the flex is gonna help a lot without making the manifold crack, bud.
Sure hope so, bud.
Yeah, let's see how she sounds, huh? Hopefully she's toot toot hollering. All right, stop it.
I ended up not welding that flex pipe onto the downpipe, but I will do that eventually and add a support to the transmission. But let's go for a first start and see what this thing sounds like. So I was hoping that this was going to be like a stock location manifold, but it's just slightly different. I ended up just getting new lines and extending the hose for the drain. But intake, the charge pipes and everything lines up decent enough. It's trying to color pretty nice too.